AI keeps getting smarter and smarter every month. But here's the uncomfortable truth that most people miss. AI is still bad at understanding what you actually want. When OpenAI released ChatGPT 5 in August 2025, I found myself getting frustrated with its output. OpenAI had clearly ruined ChatGPT with their latest update. But then something happened that completely reframed it for me. I was working on a client project where the cost of a bad output was high. So instead of firing off a quick prompt, I slowed down. The only thing that changed was how clearly I planned and structured my prompts. That's when it hit me. ChatGPT's newest model was in fact more steerable, but because of that very precision, prompt design matters more than ever. Here's a single framework that explains how to prompt like an expert. It all comes down to reframing the problem. Most people think prompting is about clever wording. It's not. Prompting is about making your intent clear for a system that guesses what words come next. If I say peanut butter and your brain instantly fills in jelly. When your prompt is vague, the AI has to guess. And guessing produces average, generic, middle-of-the-road answers. Expert prompting is about removing that guesswork. Here's the framework that does that. It's called DIRECT. D stands for define the role. Assigning a role tells the model how to think, not just what to say. Next up is I for instruction. What exactly do you want? Next up, R for relevant context. E for examples. Show, don't tell. C for constraints. What rules must the output follow? And finally, T is for type of output. So let's pull this all together. Here's a bad prompt. How can I use AI in my real estate business? Now, with the DIRECT framework, first we establish the AI's role. You are a business growth strategist specializing in AI adoption. Then we give it instruction. Identify the highest impact AI and automation opportunities. Next, we include context. My business is a local real estate team. Leads come from referrals and listings. Most time is spent on follow-ups and admin work. Now, sprinkle in some examples, CRM follow-ups, listing descriptions, showing coordination, and we can't forget constraints. Budget under $400, less than 3 hours per week to maintain, not technical. Finally, we round it out with the type of output we actually want. Present this as a prioritized action plan with quick wins and long-term systems. In 2026, prompting isn't a nice-to-have skill. It's the difference between AI being magical or useless.